My name is Morris Sitt. I am the Director of E-commerce at We Supply DIY. We Supply started about 40 years ago out of a man's garage when he decided to sell jewelry making supplies to customers around the country. Over the last 40 years, that business has been built into a multinational corporation that supplies arts and craft supplies to people all over the world. We sell and ship threading, tools, beads, anything that you would need to make your own jewelry or arts and craft supplies. We create and we ship out to customers. We Supply DIY sells in the Amazon store, Walmart, Etsy, and more recently, we've actually expanded to Amazon International stores. The process used to be that we would come in every morning to hundreds of orders, have to print them out, go and pick them, print out labels, put them on a pallet and send them out. And it would take all day, and it would take a lot of people to get it done. Veeqo is an all-in-one place where we can handle all of our orders, not just for Amazon, but for all of our different marketplaces as well. So we're able to process all of our orders together, get them all done together, get them all shipped out together, and it saves us a lot of time from having to go marketplace to marketplace. Beforehand, we didn't really know what all the different Amazon fees summed up to. We didn't know what our costs were. We didn't know what our profitability was. If you don't have the right tool, you're not gonna know what you're spending on all of these different fees and costs. Come along, Veeqo Profit Analyzer, and it gives us all of that information simplified in one small dashboard that I can just see my profit right there. And best of all, it's free. The data allowed us to make decisions in our company that resulted in us being more profitable, like being able to optimize our ad spend, being able to find our unprofitable products and optimizing them, raising the price, lowering the price in some cases where our profit was a little even too high. One of the best things about the Veeqo Profit Analyzer is that it allows you to see your profitability for any time period that you choose. Not only that, but it also forecasts what your profitability is going to be, which allows you to take action on potential problems so you can get ahead of it. Veeqo is an Amazon software. So it integrates seamlessly into all Amazon accounts, not just Amazon US, Amazon UK, EU, Canada, South America, all those places. Using Veeqo makes it much easier for us to expand to those marketplaces than if I was using any other software. With Veeqo and the Profit Analyzer together, that allows me to run my entire business through Veeqo. Not only just shipping, not only just profit, everything that I need together.